here we are. We're in what I call our delightful kitchen. Look at this space. It's wonderful. Anyone who's visited our 4.0 space knows that we have some of the best snacks in the city, I guess you could say. Shout out to Snack Nation, who supplies us every week with a variety of snacks through their service, and we just love it. And I put some additional things in there as well. So that is a feature of the kitchen, as well as our hot drink station and our cold drink station. We have a selection of sodas, and then over here we have coffee and tea and all kinds of things just to help people when they take little breaks, just get a little delight in their day, as well as be refueled. Something else I want to draw your attention to is this wonderful island. So it is so cool to walk into the kitchen during lunchtime and see a group of coworkers who are hanging out, eating lunch together, and engaged in a really meaningful conversation. This island that has stools on each side has been a great asset to building community in the 4.0 studio, and so we absolutely love it.